As you can see in this photo, the bottom of New Zealand appears to get more rainfall, even though it's further away from the equator. I believe this is due to frontal rain. If we look on the previous page, you can now see how not only is there warm airflow here that is going off towards the western side of New Zealand, but there is a small amount of airflow coming off of Antarctica along the western drift, which can cause the occasional frontal spike of cold, which will cause more rainfall to occur along the western side of New Zealand. I believe that orographical rainfall would play a very big part in causing the rainfall along the western side of New Zealand. As you can see in this picture, that there is a mountain range just off the west coast of New Zealand along here, called the Southern Alps. And right next to the mountain range is the ocean. That combined with the airflow, frontal and convectional rainfall would cause most of the rain of the west coast of New Zealand. This is why there's more rainfall along the western side of New Zealand. The similarities between Australia's rainfall and New Zealand's rainfall is that they both receive the most rain through orographical rainfall. This is because both Australia and New Zealand have a mountain range somewhere off of the coast, for example, the Southern Alps in New Zealand and the Great Dividing Range in Australia. The differences between Australia's rainfall and New Zealand's rainfall is the amount of rainfall received each year. Australia on average was 600 millimetres and New Zealand on average 1600 millimetres. This is because of the humidity that New Zealand receives that we don't. Australia has been known for being the second driest country/continent that is after Antarctica.